My name is Merab Ndenya Mutua, Global Ambassador of Alliance in Motion Global, and I'm here to take you through the first part of our NTO. When you join Alliance as a new person, of course, the company is going to show you how to do the business. And as a person, when you join, maybe you have the doubts and fear. We say fear is afraid, and our company is going to take you through. We have different types of fear. First fear is fear of rejection, whereby you join the business and maybe your classmate may not support you in doing this business. You may get rejection from office mates. You may get rejection also from neighbors. You might get rejection from friends, relatives, family, and our loved ones. So the truth is, some will join your business, some would join. So what? We say click to the next because people are many out there waiting for this opportunity. So fear of failure is whereby you have the stress and maybe you think you cannot do this business. And we have, fear has two meaning. First meaning, it means forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. So why face those fears? Remember, you have joined a business and you are a member of Alliance in Motion Global. So bills have to be paid. Of course, you have a big dream and you have no other alternative other than doing this business. Then we have the concept of the business, whereby we say our business is a business whereby you can do it online. You be your own boss. We have the power of privilege, people helping other people, and of course you can earn money from home. So what are you supposed to do? When you join the Alliance business, you are supposed to share this opportunity with other people. You need to invite people to come and see this opportunity. And of course, as you invite these people, you are going to learn how to do the business. We are in the business of network marketing, whereby you share the opportunity with one person to the other. Of course, we have what we call also sales and marketing, whereby you make money in Alliance by referring other people to come and see the opportunity, and of course by selling a product. Maybe after joining this business, as our previous leader talked about products, maybe you can get a client who needs maybe the C24/7. What you are supposed to do, you cannot just pick it from the office and go and give your client. You can sell and make a magic profit. The other thing is about attitude. We say attitude is more important than skills. Attitude is more important than education. And we say avoid IKTA attitude, the attitude of I know it all. So you need to have positive attitude when building this business. You need to have good thinking as you build this business of Alliance in Motion Global. The other thing is about good learning and listening attitude. You need to be a very good student in building this business. We learn a lot, and the beauty of our company is going to provide free trainings. Your work is just to come and learn. Then we have what we call trainings. Our company is going to offer what we call the OPP. OPP, these are the trainings where we invite guests to come and see the opportunity. We have NTO, the new distributor orientation, the one I'm doing right now. We also have ASAP. This is a achievement success program of Alliance in Motion Global. We have technical trainings, DTC training, whereby we train distributors on how to open their accounts and access their accounts through online. We have also events and workshops, special trainings, which are offered by the company. So as a new person, you need to attend these trainings. Of course, you need to have discipline in building this business. We say discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. And when you have good discipline, I want to tell you, you are going to do this business in a mighty way. The other thing is about belief. You need to have 100% belief in this business. You need to have belief in our company. You need to have belief in our products. You need to have belief in our uplines. So the first belief is for our company. This company has been there ever since 2006. Those are 15 years and still counting. The other thing, we have been receiving an award as also the best company in the whole world. So through this, you need to have belief in the company. A company cannot be there for 15 years when they are really not dealing with the right products. The other thing is about also our board of directors. We have Francis Miguel, we also have Edward Kabadok and John Aspirin. These three gentlemen, they have experience for over 30 years. The other thing is also, you need to know, we have been receiving an awards every year as the best direct company in the whole world. Then we have trainings, like we have the HAIM Academy, which was done in the year 2018, 2019. And then the beauty of our business, our company recognizes all our distributors, maybe those distributors who are the top leaders who have been making more money than the others. The other thing is also about our products. Our products, they really work, so you need to have belief in our products. The other thing is about travel. Our company offers travels for free. Whereby the company tells you, come, we travel, and everything is catered for by the company. The other thing is about also belief in your upline. The person who brought you to the business is a person you need to believe, because this person showed you the opportunity and is here to show you how to do this business. Also, you are going to have a lot of many downlines in your business. You need also to believe in your downlines. You need to motivate your downlines. You need to tell them you are going to make it. You need to see them making it in this business. Then, of course, the other thing, what matters most is how you see yourself. If you are going to see yourself as a failure, I want to tell you, it might be hard for you to make in the business. But if you are going to see yourself as a person who is going to make it, I assure you, with God and with Alliance in Motion Global and with the hard work, we are going to make it in this business. The other thing is about dedicate and commit. Dedicate and commit for whatever it matters. It doesn't matter. So long as you want to do the business, commit yourself to building this business. And the other thing is also about dedication. If you really want to achieve something, you will find a way of doing it. So I want to talk about commitment. When you start this business, there are 3 levels of commitment, whereby you can say, I will try. That is first level of commitments. The other thing you can say, I'll do my best. And the other thing, I'll do my best, whatever it takes. So the 3 levels of commitment, when you commit to this business, I want to tell you, you cannot go wrong with this business. The other thing is also about positive. You need to have positive mind. Do not entertain negative thoughts. Avoid talking to dream stealers. As you build this business, you are going to meet with the dream stealers. People are going to tell you, you cannot make in this business. You are going to meet with the people who are going to tell you, my auntie was in this kind of business. You are going to meet with the people who are going to demotivate you in doing this business. But I want to encourage you, be positive, do this business, and together with our leaders, you want to make it. Then, of course, the other thing, smile. Count your blessings. And of course, have good affirmation that you are going to be a millionaire. I am a millionaire. Wow, I love this. So when you have a millionaire mindset, I want to tell you, you are going to achieve it. The other thing is about focus. You need to focus in this business. You cannot serve 2 masters at a go. You cannot work Alliance in Motion Global with other networks. So if you really want to make in this business, you need to close all the bridges. You need to forget about all those things which are negative and focus on building this business. And I want to tell you, when you follow one course at a time, you want to make in this business. So with that, I just want to tell you, welcome to Alliance in Motion Global. Lean on your uplines, lean on your leaders, and you want to make it whole.